You uploaded a video. You waited. You refreshed. Nothing. 0 views. It feels terrible, right? You put in hours, and YouTube ignored you. But here is the truth. 0 views is not bad luck. It is not the algorithm hating you. It is a signal that something is broken. And the good news is, everything broken can be fixed. In this video, I'm going to show you the 4 reasons your videos get 0 views. And more importantly, I will give you the exact fix for each one. Stick around because reason number 4 is the one nobody talks about. Let us go. Reason number 1. Your thumbnail is invisible. YouTube shows your thumbnail to a small test audience first. If they do not click, YouTube stops showing it. The fix? Your thumbnail must be unignorable. Use high contrast colors. Use a face with extreme emotion. Use 3 to 5 big, bold words. And test 2 thumbnails for every video. Reason number 2. Your title is boring. Your title is the second thing people see. If it does not create curiosity, they scroll past. The fix? Use curiosity gaps. Say, this one setting changed everything, instead of, how to change settings. Make them wonder. Make them need to click. Reason number 3. Your first 30 seconds are weak. Even if someone clicks, they leave fast if the intro is boring. The fix? Start with the problem. Start with a bold statement. Start with a question. Do not say, "Hey guys, welcome back." Say, "You are making this mistake and it is killing your views." That grabs them. Reason number 4, and this is the big one. YouTube does not know who to show your video to. The algorithm needs data. If you are a new channel, it has no history, so it shows your video to random people. They do not care. They do not click, and the algorithm assumes your video is bad. The fix? Tell YouTube exactly who your audience is. Use specific keywords in your title, description, and tags. Say, YouTube growth for beginners, not just YouTube tips. Be specific. Also, share your video on external platforms like Reddit or Twitter. That sends a signal to YouTube that real people are watching. That is it. 4 reasons, 4 fixes. Thumbnail, title, intro, and audience targeting. Fix these and your views will go from 0 to something. Maybe not 1 million overnight, but you will break the 0 view cycle. If you want me to review your thumbnail and title for free, drop a comment with your video link. I will personally check a few. Now go fix your video, and I will see you in the next one.